Hey guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. On your fourth tab, you guys are going to see passes. From here, tap on your very first thing. That's your battle pass rewards. Now remember, you need to be level 100 to claim everything from your regular rewards, and then bonus rewards level 200. Anyways, right now we have 14 to go. So as soon as you guys get the battle pass, you should have already got this skin, so that should be unlocked technically for you guys. And then you can just claim one at a time. Sure. But the fastest way that I found is to do this. So you guys see enable auto claim. So you guys could turn that on and just claim it all, and that's it. So that's another way. That's on the bottom right hand side. However, we're gonna go one by one. So we're gonna go on and tap on this one. We're just gonna hold on to X to get it. Then we're gonna go into the other one, X to get that, X to get this one, and we're claiming one at a time. So you guys can see that I'm getting one at a time. And as long as you have that check mark, it means you have it. So you guys can go on and just go to your locker and equip it. And even right now that you go over them, you guys can go on and just press X to equipped, X to equipped, X to equipped. So they are making this easier. This is kind of nice. So I can go on and equip every single one of these. So I can go here and equipped. So I just equipped everything from here. So that's page number 1. And if I get out of it, I should see a screen like so, which I know almost doesn't make sense. But just press X to claim all. And then you guys can go into your locker and save what you guys just claimed. So it would be all of this. So I just want to show you, it would be in your locker loadout. And then you would see everything together. So that's the cool thing that they made it now. It is a little bit easier, I guess. Right now what we're going to do is just go back and claim page number 2. So that's how you guys can unlock every single page. So right now that you guys got everything from page number 1, you guys can actually move on to page number 2. Because this will become locked, well, it will still locked until you guys claim all these other things. So we have to go one by one. We can just hold on X to claim every single one of these one at a time until you guys see that check mark. So what can we do to unlock this? Because it is weird, right? You have to claim all page 2 rewards. Well, right now, if you just go back, so for me, it's pressing circle to go back. I'm going to see this and just claim all. So once you claim all and then go back to it, I know it's a little bit glitchy because they changed things. You just go back, and you're going to see this. And if you still see a problem where this is still locked and it's telling you that, oh, you still need to unlock these things in order to get it. Well, another way is to equip them, so that way it should unlock things for you. But if it's still not doing it, then just enable auto claim. So that's going to be on the bottom right hand side of your screen, like I said before. You're going to see back and then auto claim. So that's R3 for me. And then we can see this, auto claim. So right now we can just get everything. We can cancel it at any time. But we could do that. We can just claim everything immediately and get everything from the battle pass. That will fix things. That will unlock everything. So for me, it's everything in the battle pass. But for you guys could have less battle pass rewards, just because you're not at a certain level. So it's okay. So it's gonna auto claim up to whatever it can go up to. So that's a good thing. So auto claiming is a good thing, and that will fix that glitch that we have right now, which I'm assuming they're gonna take forever to actually fix. So go on and do that. Alright, so as mentioned before, just make sure to claim everything. That does include the B-Box, so you do have to hold on to X to claim those. And then this will become unlocked. So that will be the fix for all of you if you're having that issue where this is still locked. Then go on and hold on to X, and you just got everything from here. So I'm just going to show you again. We got this, we got this. Let's not forget about this back bling. We got the glider. Obviously, we got B-Box out of it. We got the contrail, plus we unlocked this skin. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.